So here we have some chickens that are going to do a little work for us. I just pulled up a piece of plywood that was here, and there was tons of bugs underneath it. So these chickens will eat all those bugs digging and scratching through there. Every day I'm going to move this pen, and all of this greenery here needs to be gone and turned into garden space. So we'll see how they do at scratching it down. We'll give them something fresh to eat every day and see what happens as they take care of our bugs and our greenery that needs to turn into garden.